these three moments in management 50-50 that changed my thinking the most. They reshaped my understanding of self, team, and responsibility. First moment is discomfort. During my internship in accessible makeup tool in Sydney, I took part in brainstorming. I once took up an idea confidently, but my boss directly pointed me out. It didn't really solve the problem. At that moment, my face turns red immediately. The reason of discomfort is not that the proposal is rejected, but I take this idea as a proof of my ability. The second week study on intelligence and self-awareness made me suddenly understand I was completely wrong because I treat self-value equaling to the outcome too much. The course says understanding your emotions and the influence on your behavior is the first step of being responsible and professional. Since then, I began to regard being denied as an opportunity to upgrade my self-awareness rather than an attack on my ability. Second moment is clarity. In a group tutorial discussion, silence always happened. I saw it was just the content not interesting. It was not until the class talked about psychological safety and I suddenly realized that behind silence is not indifference, but fear of being denied and making mistakes. The course emphasized that the efficient communication of team comes from the atmosphere of dare to speak, which means not afraid of being humiliated. So I began to establish an environment to encourage group expression, ensuring that no one was laughed at and allowing real voices appear. This change is really obvious. The discussion is more open and engaging, the opinions are more diverse. Therefore, I understand that clarity is not to find the perfect answer, but to see the invisible barrier that hinders the team's progress and take initiative to remove it. Third moment, purpose. Near the end of the course, a sentence deeply touched me. Your identity is not what you want to say, but what you insist on doing when no one is supervising. Combined with nice week study, I realized for the first time responsibility is not a highlight moment, but a day-to-day self-discipline. This made me reflect on my past, and sometimes I choose to escape for convenience, but it also prompted me to start to change. Now, whenever I feel the atmosphere awkward or uncomfortable at work or study, I will pause, pay attention to who needs help first, actively reach out. This sense of responsibility is no longer for showing to others, but brings me closer to my ideal self. These three moments have pushed me out of my comfort zone and redefined responsible professionalism, awareness of self-emotion, creation of team security, and the long-term persistence in responsibility. In the future, I hope to continue shape a truly responsible professional identity with awareness, inclusive, and initiative. Thanks.